Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about that how can you solve the DPC watchdog error, which is again a BSOD, that is a blue screen of dead error, and it could be very annoying. So if you get the same BSOD, DPC watchdog error, then how do you solve that? So first of all, what we need to do in this case is make sure that all of our drivers are up to date. In case your system drivers are not up to date, then I would recommend you to go online and search for a driver update software, driver updater, or a driver update software for Windows, and install it on your system. Once it is installed, then make sure all your drivers are up to date as per that software. Now you can go with any of the free softwares for that purpose. And if by updating the drivers also nothing changes for you, the BSOD continues, then what you can do is you can just go to the settings tab by clicking on the search bar. So let's just go to the settings app. Now here go to update and security, and it would open up the Windows update. So make sure that it shows the message you are up to date. In my case, it is checking today at 11:03 p.m., which is around 10 minutes from now. So that means my PC is up to date. If it is not, then make sure you update your PC. And still, if your issue is not solved, then what you can do is you can uninstall any of the programs or the softwares that you have just recently installed, because they may cause the BSOD. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.